Pain is an invisible weight that lingers in our hearts and binds our souls. Every pain and difficulty becomes the nourishment of our growth, not to escape from pain, but to understand its essence and find opportunities for relief through deep interim. How to dissolve persistence and release the heart. Let us move towards freedom and peace of mind, transform our own pain, and discover the hidden growth power in it. Real peace is not the change of the external environment, but the inner awareness. All the peace comes from our hearts. No matter how stormy the outside world is, when we find a place of inner peace, we can maintain stability in any situation. This calm allows us to see the light in the dark, and makes us feel full of strength in the trough. The root of pain lies in our obsession with external things. Just as the water is clear and has no fluctuation, it can reflect a complete image, and so can the soul. Only by getting rid of persistence can true nature be revealed. Only when our hearts are not bound can we have true freedom. This freedom is not to get rid of pain, but to learn to transcend pain, so that every experience becomes a nutrient of wisdom, and true relief is born from it. Impermanence means that everything is constantly changing, and no persistence is eternal. Our pain and happiness will fade away with time. If we deeply understand the essence of impermanence, we will not be turbulent by momentary gains and losses. When pain strikes, can we remind ourselves that this is just a momentary phenomenon and will eventually pass with time? It is this kind of cognition that allows us to relieve and accept every experience. Learn to turn the scars of the past into inner strength and become a wisdom in life. The power of healing comes from our acceptance and understanding of ourselves. Calm interview allows us to examine ourselves deeply, so as to find out the root cause of pain. Only by sensing the scars deep in our hearts and accepting those imperfect parts can we find true peace. Only when we face and accept the inner pain can we turn these pasts into the power of growth. Every painful experience is actually a mirror of the soul, which makes us realize our true selves and become the cornerstone of moving towards the light. Adversity is not an obstacle, but a soil for growth. When we are in trouble, we might as well think about what profound inspiration this experience has brought us. Every loss and every setback is a test of life, but in the process, we have honed our tenacity and learned compassion. When we learn to find ourselves in difficulties, we are no longer confused about gains and losses. Instead, we can look at all kinds of challenges in life with wisdom and draw strength from them.